Quick tips when watching content in Arabic. Guys, you don't need to understand everything that's going on when you're watching a show, a movie, a series, whatever the case may be. You don't need to understand every single word. If there's a word that you heard, you don't recognize, don't worry too much, keep going. What you need to be doing, two things. Number one, focus on the words that you already know. Focus on capturing them. Just pay attention and look for these common everyday words like prepositions or conjunctions and or but that people are using. If you know verb conjugations, look for specific verbs that you hear. Nouns, obviously, just keep listening and capture these words. So that's the first thing. Number two, try understanding via context. So a lot of times when we're too focused on capturing a word or we're focused on a word we don't know, we're like, what is that word? I have to stop, I have to look it up. We lose kind of focus and kind of start just thinking about that word, and we don't really know what's going on in the show or whatever we're watching. So it's very important to kind of pay attention to the context. Context will help you determine what's going on in a lot of instances. Yeah. So these two things, as beginners and intermediate learners, focus on what you know, okay, and then focus on listening via context. Let me know how these work out for you, or if you have any other tips, let me know in the comments. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to check out the free mini course in the bio or description. See you there.